Qigong for women if you are over 40 and you want to lose belly fat, you want to improve your digestion and your flexibility. I'm going to be teaching this move, spiral palms, all month throughout January and February, and especially in the free class on New Year's Eve. But here's a snippet now. Stand with your feet hip width apart, and we're going to supercharge the points. So liver 13, which is in my previous videos earlier in the week, just before Christmas, we're going to flick and we're going to press on liver 13. Drop the hands, just shake the body into position, and inhale, twist from the waist, pushing down into the soles of the feet. Inhale up the midline of the body. Connect your eyes with the center of the palm, right in between the eyebrows. Now rotate the palm, you're looking at the back of the palm. Out it goes, and you come back into center to begin the other side. Inhaling, exhale on the twist, and just twist from the waist. Inhale up the midline, connect the center of the palm with the yin-tang point between the eyebrows. Make sure you've got space between the back of the hand. Out it comes, scoop it under, and you're gonna come back to the center. Let's try that again, both sides. Inhale and exhale, sweep it back in. Inhale, connect with the Lao Gong points in the back of the palm, and back to center. Now what this is doing is it's improving your metabolism. It's really working a lot of digestive points in the upper abdomen. Liver 13, spleen 16, and a great vent, conception vessel 12. Inhale, exhale. Really helping with flexibility through the fingers, the neck and the shoulders. Really easy to do. We'll just finish off by bringing the hands down, rotating the palms out. Inhale. This one's called Connecting Heaven and Earth. Imagine you're now bringing all that chi right down the central channel of the body, clearing the mind, opening the heart, and bring it back down to your power center, your lower dantian, your belly here. So let's do that again. Inhale. Imagine the whole body expanding, a bit like an inflatable sofa. Now exhale, you're squeezing and squishing all the air out. Clear through the mind, clear through the chest. Come back down to your lower belly, your center of power. Embrace